Okay.
We're on the Dana Scribs and we're going to Jebs. We're just going to eat a cake and coffee. Have some coffee. Oh my god.
Don't you make it over there? So
Over
like
there,
you,
so
yeah.
you make it zoom.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh. Zoom down.
Okay.
Iba yun. Sino to?
Te? Dila ka, te. Dila ka.
Ito.
Sino ba talaga ako?
Inom ka.
Kasuha ka ilong, te.
Inom ka. Anong sample?
Tumingin ka sa taas.
Ito yung sa taas.
Hindi, gumano ka.
Gusto mo sa lupa.
Wali. Ganun, tingnan lang.
Okay, Jen.
Kasi ibabroadcast natin ito sa Facebook, nakakaya naman sa ilong ko.
Virgin pa ba yung ilong mo?
Ay!
Ay, basta.
Ako nagpasok ko.
Alam mo, nakakaloko yung mga kasama ko. What's the red light over there? Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we are here in the Philippines and it's 36 degrees
And look at
Celsius
the
outside
air.
of the
Look at the
Philippines.
air. Oh my God.
No, it's like, oh my gosh, Gretzel, it's like your cover. Oh! Like that. Eh, wala kasi akong buhok eh.
Ay, today, oh my gosh, we're going to demonstrate the main poses of the pictures of the girls and the boys. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's
number
The
one.
first one is,
So
Hindi,
it's
for
the-
boys muna ba?
The first one is.
the first one is, the Adam's apple. Ipakita mo.
The second one is. The second one is. What is that?
What's the second one?
The second one. Maybe the third one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's important already. Okay.
Ulitin niya natin from the start, hayop.
Oo nga, ulog kayo.
Ulitin mo.
Dapat ready na kayo.
Kung ano pinagkikita.